Hi, my name's Dr. Pam Henderson, and I'd like to introduce you to this exciting new workshop. The title of the workshop is Opportunity Insight and Road Mapping. And the reason that we're doing this workshop is because we've heard over and over again from our clients and from IRI members that they're struggling with road mapping. So what are some of the common struggles? Well, one is Horizon 1 is not actually that tough. Horizon 3, moonshots, we can do anything on that because probably all those things are going to happen after our careers are passed. But the tricky part is that Horizon 2 time period. And so we can do some road mapping in the short run, but very difficult to do the longer run. Now, one of the reasons that it's tough is because of the pace of change. So we do need to kind of figure out what's going on with that and help us decide where to invest. Oftentimes there's too many places to invest, and we need to sort through that. So we need to kind of come up with some good rules for doing that. Now, the third thing, though, and this is the kind of the biggest bugaboo, is that conflict between product roadmaps and technology roadmaps, and even manufacturing and supply chain. So product folks will come up with lots of different ideas, but idea one might require a whole big stream of work with new manufacturing and technologies. And idea two might also require a stream of work, and we're not ending up leveraging those like we should, and we're not really communicating about how to align those. So what are we going to do in the workshop? Well, first, we're going to line around a definition of opportunity, which just doing that alone, getting your organization to say the same thing about opportunity, will help enormously. Second, we're going to learn how to get new insights, and insights not just from our customers, but also from the broader ecosystem, because they can often tell us what's happening out a little bit farther in time. Now, what kind of insights are we going to get? We're going to get insights on the trends, changing conditions. We're going to get insights on needs and how those might evolve over time. And then we're also going to get technology insights. So how are those value propositions changing over time? And finally, we're going to look at how do we then resolve this with our partners in the marketing and product development organizations so that we're really aligning. And the way we do it, the trick is not to align around projects, but to align around the little opportunity spaces and how we're going to sequence those. And when we create that roadmap, we can end up having fall out of it a nice sequence of products and technology developments. So we hope that you'll join us for this exciting workshop. We'll have lots of new content, lots of new ways of thinking, and some great tools.